Eat the other ones off your other hand.
Happened?
That little evil laugh.
Tragedy.
You got her to eat olives now?
10. She had all 10
You
fingers.
corrupted her.
Olives are good for you.
You got the froggy fingers. Yay!
Uh-oh, you dropped one on the floor. You better give it to me so I can eat
She
it.
dropped
This
2
family
of them.
changes people.
Favorite Uncle Kelly.
This family changes people.
I hate olives.
Yeah, we used to change your diaper. Yes.
Look here. See these two?
Even when you were wearing a cup.
I'm gonna go put them back in that bag. Do you believe me? I'm very worried.
Oh, this is delicious.
I thought we were doing sprinkles.
Don't flick them off your hand. Eat them.
Hey.
Zia, tell her they're fantabulous.
Is that the last one, Zia?
What's not bad?
Yeah, that's for the crush.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Is he crawling?
17, 18, 19,
He was sneaky.
20,